With over 50 years of trusted experience in masonry and construction, G-Wag Custom Design LLC is your go-to family business for all your outdoor project needs. From pole barns, and sheds on foundations to cedar and hog panel fencing, railings, decks, and roofing repairs and replacements, we've got you covered. Let us bring your outdoor vision to life. Get in touch with G-Wag Custom Design LLC and turn your dream project into reality. You can find us at 19723 First Street, Northeast Snohomish, Washington 98290, United States. Reach out to us by calling 425-422-6953 or feel free to explore our website at www.gwagcustomdesign.com.